Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, I am so sorry I'm making a video now. It's late, it's pretty late. I'm even making it in my kitchen, though I'm not cooking. I'm making it in my kitchen just to make it fast and all that, just to have something. I don't have a table, so I have something to put it on top and all that. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make whitening shower gel. You know, last time I showed you guys how to make whitening shower gel with a bubble white shower gel, but this time we'll be making use of extreme white shower gel. And let's just go make it, okay, instead of talking too much. All right, so I'll see you guys there. Okay. So as I've said earlier, I'll be making shower gel. You know, I said in my other videos that there are different sort of shower gels in the market, and each of them work differently, and the way you get to mix them for your whitening shower gel differs. Like now, this is extreme white shower gel. We have like two different types of extreme white shower gel that I have seen. No, I don't know if there is still more extreme white shower gel. This is extreme white pure whitening fruit shower gel. I'll bring it closer. You can see how it looks like. While this is extreme white gold super bleaching shower gel. I'm not wearing this glove. This is my shorthand. Super bleaching shower gel with alpha-betaine plus plant essence. You should know this is what we're going to use. This is what we're meant to use because we want a whitening skin. So this is the bleaching shower gel we need. While this one will scrap it. Okay, so we're just going to be making use of just one shower gel. All right, and we'll also need 2 dope shampoo. If you remember in my mixture with when I made use of what's the name, boba white shower gel. If you remember, I made use of 1 dope shampoo. Now we're making use of 2 dope shampoo. That's what I'm saying. If we're using different shower gels, there are different mixtures for each shower gels. They are not all the same. So you can see now we need 2 dope shampoo. Sorry about that. We need 2 betasol lotion. 2, not 1. We need 2 betasol lotion. That's what we need in making this soap. Now we would also need our bleaching soap powder, but this is the bleaching soap powder people use. This is the bleaching soap powder used in bleaching the air. You know, we also use it in bleaching the skin, and it smells horrible. It smells really bad, you know. So I'm not gonna make use of this one. Okay, I don't really like it because of the smell, so I don't even advise my client to use it. But people say they want really bleaching powder, that really as in strong bleaching soap powder. This is what you get. But for me, my mixture, I use this. You see how it looks like? It looks totally different from this. Not plainly white, like crystal. You can see, like crystal, not even crystal white, crystal like ash, you know, crystal white, something like that. That's the way it looks. And the other bleaching soap powder is just plain white, and it smells bad, you know. It smells really bad. You should be careful what you put on your body. You know, when people get to say omoibora, that's what they say about people that bleach. When you bleach, you smell. So I'm not going to use this. We're just going to use this. So all we just have to do right now is get our extreme white out. I hope it will be enough here. Okay. Yeah, it will be enough. Okay. I have to move the camera backwards so you guys will see what I'm doing clearly. Okay. All right. I also take off this because some people probably just leave it there. I don't need to leave it there. So this is what we need. We need the two of them. We need to add the both of them into the shower gel. We don't need one, we need the both of them to work. I'm sorry I'm just making this video. It's pretty late. I'm so sorry. I went out, just go back not quite long, and I was like, lano mi o she video lano. No way, I have to make video for my fans. My fans. Okay. I've actually sanitized this with my spraying alcohol. It's necessary. You need to sanitize it. You can actually use a spoon, but I choose to use this to make it faster. No time. And I don't know when I'm probably gonna impute the video. Oh, nothing good in Nigeria, like as in nothing. Nada. All right. Okay. There's a reason why I used this particular stuff to make it fast. Because one, behind, I think this is like to 9. All right, so we add our betasol lotion into it, and be careful where you get your betasol lotion. There is fake betasol lotion, okay? So the main betasol lotion comes from Cotonou, okay? They are fake betasol lotion, fake, plain fake. Can't know the original anymore, except you buy from your trusted seller. Right. Oops. I'm just so clumsy today. Alright. Also, I decided to wear gloves so my hand doesn't get chopped off. Okay. The reason why I wouldn't advise you use spoon, but most people probably use something like this to mix it or something, but it's not advisable to use all those things because it might not blend well, except you're probably going to take time in mixing it and all that. But this is preferable. This instrument is preferable. You know, it's like you're whisking your egg. That's what it just means. You're whisking your egg together. Okay, if you have a bit of this inside, you have to use everything. You're not leaving no stones unturned. Okay. There are also some shower gels that you need to add, like abutin oil and all that. All shower gels are not the same. You know, I keep saying, I'm repeating it again. Remember, I repeated the first time. Well, now I'm saying it again. All shower gel mixtures are not the same. They differ in so many aspects, in so many ways. Okay. All right. Now for our bleaching soap powder, I am not using the one they use in making their hairdo and all that. This is what I'm using. Okay, a crystal white. But at the same time, my spoon is also sanitized. So each time you want to do this, make sure it's sanitized. We need 2 tablespoons. Look at how full your spoon should be. Okay, not completely. This is it. We need two tablespoons. This is 1. 2. That's all we need for the mixture. Now you guys get my drift why I use this, right? Because of the bleaching soap. You can see it's not incorporating properly, so we need something to whisk it properly in order for it to blend on every aspect. I see some parts are still thick of the bleaching soap powder. Look at it, heavy. I wanted that to come in slow motion. It's necessary to mix this thing very well, because we don't actually want the bleaching soap powder to be in one part and the dope shampoo to be in one part. It won't make sense. It won't make sense at all. You know, good, just good. So we need everything to work well. Wow, it's like clothes. Okay. If it were to be this one, immediately to incorporate, but this is the one I like. Okay, so all we just have to do is keep shredding it into it. But if you actually leave it in, it's going to melt. That's the thing. It's definitely going to melt inside. But I just don't want it to stick to one side now. And just incorporate it one side. You can see it's shredding. The parts that are shredding are going inside. So if ever your own is like this, you shred it. You can see it's getting smaller compared to when we picked it up. You shred it. Some people will be like, oh, why didn't you, the most powerful bleaching soap powder, why didn't you use that? Well, yeah, sorry, my phone came up with one stupid story saying the capacity of my phone is really low for video. So I'm sorry where I hanged up then. I'm probably not saying the same thing right now. Please bear with me. Okay, so I think I finished shredding it. You can see, okay, there's still a bit here I have to shred. Still a bit I have to shred. And I took off the other glove just to be able to touch my phone, so I can't touch. You don't need to blend it, because some people be like, can I blend it? You can if you want to. You can if you want to. You just have to shred it very well. Shred the bleaching soap powder. See, compared to then it had a lot of whitey stuff here. You can see it's shredding out. Maybe say I put my hand, I come out my other glove. I don't shred everything finish now. Okay, so I'm done. My video is still my phone is still telling me I have less capacity, so please bear with me. We are done. We are totally done. So so all I have to do right now is just to pour this mixture into, you know, back into this container. That's all I just have to do. I'll pour it back into this container and I get to use it. So that's our whitening shower gel. Okay, this time we made use of extreme white shower gel, not boba white shower gel. Okay, so I guess you guys enjoyed that mixture. Well, I'm sorry if I was actually being caught up in the middle, because my phone was actually saying I had a short storage, so I have to probably delete some stuffs and all that. I'm really sorry, but the most important thing was for you to know you're meant to use 2 dope shampoo, 2 betasol lotion, and 2 tablespoons of your bleaching soap powder. Now you can go ahead to use your bleaching soap powder that they use, the bleaching soap powder they use in making their hairdo and all that. But I just decided not to use that. I decided to use the bleaching soap powder that is meant for the skin. Okay, they differ, they smell differently and they look differently. The one meant for the skin looks like crystal white. It has this crystal look, while the one meant for the hairdo, which is actually way effective, actually smells horrible. It smells horrible. I just have to be honest. I don't like that smell. You know about what they say about people that have bleached their skin? They have a certain odor that emanates from them that's so horrible. Well, that's what I am trying to avoid. So if you actually also want to avoid that from happening, honey, I would say you should scrap the bleaching soap powder used by the hairdo or they tend to use for the hair, because though it's effective, but honey, you don't need to smell horrible in order for you to have a beautiful skin. All right, so if you've been watching my channel from the beginning till this time and you've still not subscribed, honey, subscribe, like, share my video, and I love you guys like kilo day. All right, bye guys.